We present our petition to you, Madam Speaker, in support of the Employment Amendment Bill 2019, and also seek the indulgence of your office to speed up the process of passing the bill into law.
It is said that domestic workers have continued to face all forms of abuses ranging from sexual harassment, discrimination, marginalization, and exploitation, among others. Such forms of abuses happen because domestic work is not recognized and bound by the law.
The domestic work sector of Uganda for long has not been legally recognized and regulated. The current provisions of the Employment Act 2006 cannot adequately promote and protect the rights of domestic workers.
A 2017 survey by Domestic Workers Association of Uganda shows that 27% of workers faced emotional abuses like demeaning names, 15% reported physical abuse, 14% were subjected to sexual abuses, while 8% reported unlawful termination of contracts and dismissal. The absence of regulation on domestic work sector has not only caused the image of domestic workers, but has also left them vulnerable to unfair working conditions.
Abakozi bawako banga tukolera sente ntono mitale 3-5 ekinene nnyo.
The bill will be handled as quickly as possible. I understand by today they were either in a retreat concluding, so we shall give it priority because we support better work relations, better industrial relations. But what is most important is that you have demystified what a domestic worker is.
It's against this backdrop that domestic workers petitioned the Parliament to speed up the passing of the Employment Amendment Bill to regulate domestic work. Speaker of Parliament Rebecca Kadaga is concerned why some members have over time sabotaged the bills like the minimum wage bill that would also come into play to protect domestic workers from underpayment.
The issue of getting 30,000 shillings a month, I'm in shock because 30,000 shillings, so how does one survive? But also it brings back to the point of the minimum wage. As Parliament, we had enacted the law on minimum wage in this country. But the ministers went to cabinet and campaigned against it. They campaigned against it. So now we don't have minimum wage. That's why I've paid 10,000, others have paid 5,000, others nothing.
The employment bill that seeks to protect workers from exploitation was tabled by Workers MP Agnes Kunihira, but is yet to see the light. Susan Naung and Gloria Gwitabinji.